Hi students. Last week I decided to take requests and had a pad and a pen, and I started writing down your suggestions. And one of the coolest suggestions was "Here Comes the Sun" by George Harrison. Of course, that is track 1 on side 2 of Abbey Road, and it starts off with the tab. That's from memory. Let's take a look at it. Remember, the numbers are the frets, and there's only 2 strings, string 1 and string 2, that you are switching off from. So here is the tab at the top, and this is just a full step below the concert key that the Beatles took it. So in other words, on the guitar, George Harrison had the capo, I believe, at the 6th fret. But this one would be the 2nd fret if you wanted to play these easy chords against the original recording, and you would sound correct. But here we're looking at this section. Now, it's kind of fun. You could play in between. You could strum the chord because the initial is the G chord. Let me just show that close up. So you could do a. You have to lift it though for the. When it goes to the C. Let me go back to the chart. So you could actually, at least with the opening, you could strum the chord. Then the C. Let me do that again from the top. So it's in rhythm, it's 2nd measure. Now the C measure. Now the D 7th measure. Because that 2 is part of the D chord. Now I think I've kind of memorized it, and let me do it again. So you start with a G. Okay, and let me show my right hand. There's that. Halfway there. Let me show a little bit closer. So it's only these 2 strings. It's only the 1st and the 2nd. Actually, let me stand and get closer. So, and I would use the 2nd finger for the 2nd fret and the 3rd fret for that. 3, 4. All right. Well, take it slow. Take it at your own speed. Now let's look at the rest of the song. And you may remember this. So I would suggest down, down, up, down, down. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Now notice A minor seventh is no fingers down. And this measure is beat, beat, beat. 2 beats on G7, and then you're into the rest of the verse. So it's here's the beginning of the verse again. 3, 4. Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I said it's alright. Do-do-do. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, sun. Now let's look at that part of the song. The sun, sun, sun. That is B flat, F, C, G. So it's quick. It's sun, sun, sun. Here it. Sun, sun, sun. Here it comes. Da da da. Sun, sun, sun. Here it comes to D7. Da da da. Sun, sun, sun. So that will take some practice. You'll have to take that slow. 3, 4. Sun, sun, sun. Here it comes. Sun, sun, sun. Here it comes. Da da da. Oh, I was doing. If I do this. Put the fingers in the middle there on the 2nd fret. Da da da, da da da, da da da. Then 2nd page, da da da, and so on. Hey, have fun with this. This is a cool piece. And thank you, student, for suggesting it.